Street Thai, the series. Learn Thai the way it's really spoken. If you are a self-learner and you study with the textbook or even application, you might face a problem that when you arrive Thailand, you cannot really understand what people say on the street. That's not weird because the textbook and the application, they try to teach you a standard Thai, but in reality, it's not like that. We, Thai, are quite relaxing and we are famous that we don't really stick to the rule, and that has an impact on many ways of our lifestyle, including the way we speak the language. So there's no way for you to understand Thai conversation if you study only a standard Thai. If you want to understand Thai better, to speak Thai better, subscribe to my YouTube channel Speak Thai Possible with Naam
and Instagram account Speak Thai Possible for learning Thai every day. Hope to see you there.